Hello children, welcome back. So we are going to do more word problems on complementary and supplementary angles. Let us start. So before starting this sum children, I would like you to introduce you to this three concept, that is acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. Of course you must have learnt in your younger classes, but we will do a revision and then go to these problems. Now what are acute angles? Angles whose measure is between 0 and 90 degree, those are called acute angles. So the shape of acute angle will always be like this, less sign here, or it can be like this, because their measure is always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till so on till 89 degree. And because they lie towards the right hand side of the protractor, you can see the shape of the acute angle will look like this. And if you take the protractor from this side, it will lie on the left hand side. So the acute angle shape will always be like this or like this. And acute angle's measurement is always between 0 and 90. What is right angle? Right angle will look like an L shape, either this way. If you keep a protractor here, it will show 90 degree like this, or if you keep the protractor here, it will look like this. So the shape of right angle will be like this, and we always draw a square shape to show that it is 90 degree. What about obtuse angle? The measurement of obtuse angle lies between 90 and 180. That means anything more than 90, from 91. So the obtuse angle will look like this. When you keep the protractor here, it will be like this. See the difference between acute and obtuse children. This looks close and this is a closed figure, and this looks like an open mouth. Right? And if you keep the protractor this side, it will look like this. So this is an obtuse angle with a mouth open wide, and this is like a mouth closed, little closed. Okay. So acute angle will look like this, right angle will look like this, and obtuse angle will look like a mouth wide open. Now once you have understood this concept, let us move to the question. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are obtuse angles? What is supplementary angle children? A straight line, and it should be 180 degree. See, from this figure itself you can see that one is an acute angle. Right? This is mouth closed, so this is acute. And this is mouth wide open, so this is obtuse. So for an supplementary angle, one should be acute and one should be obtuse. It can be like this also. Now here, this is acute, closed mouth, and this is mouth wide open. This will be obtuse. But here they have asked if both are obtuse, that is both are more than 90 and less than 180, can they form a supplementary angles? From the figure we can clearly say it cannot form. But even if you put numbers and see, like I can put for obtuse, if I say I take one as 91, little more than 90, and I take one as 100. If I add, I get 191. It is not 180, right? So you can say if they are obtuse angles, those cannot be supplementary angles, or two angles cannot be supplementary if both are obtuse angles. So you understood children how to find out with the help of diagram, or you can put your own measurements and check. Next is, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are 90 degree? 90 degree we know how to draw. This is 180 line because of supplementary, and 90 degree means straight line. Now if this is 90, then this also will be 90 because supplementary means 180. So 180 minus 90 is 90, and you can see they form an L shape. So 90 plus 90 will give you 180. So yes, supplementary angles can be formed if both of them are right angles, but not if they are obtuse angles. Now let us go to the last sum. Can they be formed if both are acute angles? We saw that when we draw a supplementary angle, one is acute and one is obtuse. So can they be acute, both of them? No. We can check. with the help of the measurements. Let us take any number 60 and then can we take 80 because both are less than 90. If you add, it will be 140. You add any number between 0 to 90, it will not form 180 because one should be acute and one should be obtuse for supplementary, or both should be right angles. Okay, hope you understood, children. Two acute angles cannot form supplementary, two obtuse angles cannot form supplementary, one acute, one obtuse, yes, they can form, and even two right angles can form supplementary angles. Yeah. Next sum is, if two angles have equal measures, if two supplementary angles have equal measures, what is the measure of each angle? So they are telling that both have equal measures. So let us assume both to be x because they are equal in measure and they are supplementary angles. So what is the sum of supplementary angles? It is 180. So I will add both this and find out the measure. If I get one measure, it will be same for both because both are equal in measure. So if there is no number, it is 1. 1x plus 1x is 2x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 divided by 2, which is 90 degree. So we can say the measure of each angle is 90 degree. So they form like this. Two right angles. Last sum, if the complement of an angle is 28 degree, find the supplement of that angle. Now we have learnt in our previous video that if this is the question, if the complement of an angle is 28, what is complementary angles, children? The sum is 90. So if the sum is 90, let the angle be x. So its complement will be 28. Now they have given that it is 28. So let us take the let angle be 28. So its complement is, what is the complement? Instead of going through all the procedure, we can straight away minus it with 90. So 90 minus 28 is 62 degree. So we have solved half of the question. If the complement of an angle is 28, then it will be 62 degree. Find supplement of this angle. So what is the supplement? Its supplement will be 180 minus 62, which is 180 degree. Okay, children. So what did we do? Because they have given 1 degree of complement, the other degree will be 90 minus 28. Right? If one is 28, what is other? It is 90 minus 28, which is 62 degree. And what is the supplement of this? 180 minus 62, 118 degree. Hope you understood the problems, children. In our next video, we will go to learn what are linear parallel. Bye.